Hello and welcome back to Trend Tech Guide. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to clear the printer queue if your documents are stuck or not printing. First, on your Windows computer, click the Start button and type Printers and Scanners in the search bar. Open it, then click on your connected printer. Next, click Open Queue to view all pending print jobs. Right-click on any document you want to cancel and select Cancel. To clear everything at once, press Ctrl-A, right-click and select Cancel all documents. If that still doesn't work, try restarting your PC, and that's it. Your printer queue is now cleared. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe to Trend Tech Guide and let me know in the comments if you need more help. I'm always here to assist.